I know, I'm like 5 years late. I don't know why it took so long for the shoe to come in, but it's finally here and we can finally review it. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing the brand new Air Jordan 1 High Royal Toe. Promise I'm not going to make this whole review about how mad I am that it took 3 weeks for this shoe to get to me, and I paid way more than it's worth. But let me just vent for a second. So I ordered this shoe on StockX back in like April 25th or April 27th. I don't remember exactly what day it was, but I paid like $400 for it, which is insane because the next day, or maybe a couple days after, they decided to shock drop it and the prices dropped by half. It's now May 13th and this still isn't even the shoe that I ordered. I got this shoe on the sneakers app for retail and it's already here before the pair comes in from StockX. I really can't be too mad about it though. At the end of the day, I'm not always going to be able to get the shoes that I want early for reviews for you guys. I'm going to have to take the L sometimes, and this was one of those times. I am, however, still grateful that I could grab a pair on the sneakers app for retail, which a lot of people couldn't do, and it's definitely a sneaker that I plan to rock a pretty good amount. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe released last week for a retail price of $170, and it sold out instantly. I knew the shoe was going to sell out, but I didn't realize how quickly the shoe would sell out and how coveted it would be after the fact. Even though, in my opinion, the color blocking isn't exactly how I would want it, people still really wanted this sneaker, and even though there was probably a good amount of pairs available, it still sold out faster than a lot of other sneakers that you would think would be more hyped up. That said, it's still a Jordan 1 High, and Jordan 1 Highs are some of the most popular sneakers you can buy, so although it surprised me that this colorway was as popular as it was, I guess it makes sense. So starting things off by jumping into the sneaker itself, around the edge of the toe you've got this black leather panel which is lightly tumbled. In the center of the toe you've got this perforated tumbled leather which comes in this really vibrant shade of blue. Quality wise it's standard fare, it's nothing special. All the tumble texture is embossed, it's not really tumbled, and some of the leather is synthetic, some of it's real. I'm not sure exactly which is which. I know if you watch Rose Anvil on YouTube, he actually cuts open a pair of Air Jordan 1s and shows you which leather is real leather and which leather is synthetic leather, and it's kind of surprising, but at the end of the day, the Air Jordan 1 is a mass-produced sneaker, and you can't expect it to be incredible leather all the time. In fact, I don't think any pairs of mass-produced Jordan 1s that have been released have been really nice leather, not even the shattered backboards. That's all kind of an illusion. With all that said though, it's not a bad shoe, it's pretty much the exact quality that you've come to expect from Air Jordan 1s. Moving up on the shoe, you've got a set of flat black laces, and if you don't like these black laces, the shoe also comes with a set of royal blue laces if you decide to switch them out. Underneath the laces, you've got your standard Air Jordan 1 tongue in black, and at the top of the tongue, you've got a slightly more premium feeling tag which comes in black leather and has the Nike Air branding debossed into it in white. Moving inside the shoe, you've got a soft black sock liner, as well as a black insole with the Nike Air branding printed on the heel in royal blue. When it comes to sizing and fit, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe fits just like every other pair of Air Jordan 1 Highs. For me, that's true to size. For you, it might be something different. So, as I always suggest, if you have the chance to try this shoe on first before you buy it, or any other colorway of Air Jordan 1 Highs that are recent, make sure to do that to make sure you're grabbing the right size for you. Continuing back in the sneaker, outlining the midfoot of the sneaker, you've got more black leather panels. And then speaking of the midfoot of the shoe, that comes in white synthetic leather with a black Nike swoosh in the center. And then as you continue farther back in the shoe, you get to my least favorite part of the sneaker, and that's the color blocking of the heel area. On most Jordan 1s, the leather around the top of the ankle comes in black, and there are exceptions to that, but that's pretty much standard. Usually the colorful portion of the shoe is on this wing area and on this heel counter area, and not on the ankle area. And while I don't think there's anything wrong with the way that they color blocked this shoe, I really wish they had done it a little bit differently. Maybe I'm just boring because I like the Jordan 1 a certain way, but in my opinion, it's so close to being perfect, it just is a shame that they didn't go all the way. Now to give you guys some idea of the color blocking that I would prefer, I brought something for show and tell, which is the bread toe Jordan 1s. Now up to the heel of the shoe, as you can tell, the color blocking on both of these shoes is almost identical. However, when you get to the heel of the shoe, you'll notice that the colorful part of the sneaker is on the heel counter and on the wings area of the shoe, and then on the newer pair, it's on the ankle area, which seems a little bit weird. The bread toes color blocking just seems more balanced. It just looks cleaner in my opinion. The royal toes, while they don't look bad, just don't feel as balanced and as complete as the bread toes do. And again, that's all my own personal opinion, but I think a lot of people share that opinion. That said, Jordan brand is a little bit withholding, and I think they know exactly what they're doing. I think they know if they gave us that sort of royal toe colorway that we all wanted and expected, we wouldn't be as likely to buy this colorway because we would have been happy with the colorway we already had. Maybe I'm off base about that, but Kinda don't think so. But moving on the lateral side of the sneaker, you've got the Air Jordan Wings logo debossed in white. And then getting around to the heel of the shoe, you've got your black leather heel counter, as well as your pretty nicely tumbled blue leather ankle area. For some reason, it seems like the leather that they use on the ankle area of this colorway is slightly more tumbled and slightly more premium than standard Jordan 1s. I'm not sure why they decided to opt for this different kind of leather for this color, but I'm not mad at it. Moving down on the shoe, you get to your bright white midsole, and finishing off the sneaker, you've got this royal blue outsole. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe is a solid sneaker, one that I like a lot and one that I plan to wear a lot. However, I think the colorway could have been a little bit better. But now I would love to know your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe and whether you grabbed the pair for yourself, whether you passed, or whether you took that L. So let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.